Hello everyone, friends on the Velo channel. Today I will show you how to customize how to change line spacing in Microsoft Word. I'll do it in the web version, but it's done the same way everywhere. First we will need to select the text that we will edit for line spacing. To do this, I will choose, for example, this text, this paragraph, this section, this all. And accordingly now, in order to adjust the line spacing, I will click on the Home button. And accordingly here I will click on the line spacing. Here you can choose the level, respectively, of the indent in the interval. So, well, accordingly I will choose one, for example, yes. That is, it will shrink a little, shrink. Well, 2 is already a serious interval. 1:15 is usually basic. 1 and 5 is just the limit. It's not usually used anymore. Here you can go to the settings and, well, adjust the line spacing yourself. You can write any number here, I think. But no. Or is it possible? I don't think so. So click OK. Well, and accordingly, well, here you really need to play with the lines. Well, that's how it works. Sample Velour. Bye, everyone.